Hi, welcome to Trending Moto. GPX Thailand launched the sport touring scooter in collaboration with SYM. Many motorcycle enthusiasts are waiting outside the country, particularly in the Philippines, because of its features and aggressive look of the bike that catches the eye of the consumer. GPX Drone 150 try to compete the Yamaha N-Max and Honda PCX with high features and sleek design with its cheaper price. GPX Drone 150 comes with engine technology from SYM, injected in the 150cc, 4-stroke, 4-valve, water-cooled. The performance of the engine is intense, exciting, providing better power, torque or acceleration. It is equipped also of brightly illuminating with 10 full LED headlights with separate high and low beams, and equipped with hazard lights to enhance the charm of the drone with daytime running light in a unique Y-shaped design. Looks good, has a design both day and night. Impressive design tail lights. The tail lights are sharply designed with 3D light bar tail stop light function, concealing sportiness with smoke lamps, adding premium and outstanding like no other. Remote key system with burglar alarm. Remote key that comes with the function of turning on/off the bike, locking the bike or turning on/off the anti-theft alarm with a spare key hidden in the body for use in emergency mode. No worries in case the battery of the remote control is exhausted, with a smart control kit, convenient, easy to operate, just twist the switch. Meet the lifestyle of everyday life with a USB charging socket, size 2 amps, full power, turbo charging, convenient, can plug in your mobile phone charger instantly. Full digital LCD all-in-one screen. Mileage, sporty screen design, full digital LCD meter system with tachometer ready to tell various information, complete, colorful, sharp and able to set trips. GPX Drone 150 comes also with disc brakes front and rear at disc size, front 260mm and rear 220mm, supplemented by CBS or combined braking system that helps to distribute braking force, allowing you to stop the bike more confidently. Dual spring shock absorbers, adjustable in 3 levels. Dual spring rear shock absorbers that can be adjusted to 3 levels of preload to meet different daily use. GPX Drone 150 released the new color for 2023. Deep Wine, Hyper Silver, Master Green, Energetic Red, Lightning Blue, with the suggested retail price 77,500 to 79,500 Thai baht or about 120,000 in Philippine peso. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.